enjoying my GlossyBox video. It's gonna be funky. It's got me little boy in. Oh god. And then there we go again. Hello, just a quick video. It's just to let you know I've just received my GlossyBox and I'm gonna share it. I look very muddy today with my bloody makeup. Just to share with you what I got in my GlossyBox. So stay tuned. First things first, I got this thing at the top and it's just promoting it's like the advent calendar. It launches on the 15th of October and I don't think I should be showing you that code, but never mind. You get 17 full-size products and it's worth over £300 and you can see the brands there, look. So on the box, as you can see, it says Trick, not Treat. And get it out of the box. Let's have a look. And it's always neatly wrapped. Let's undo it. We'll not read that because it spoils the products. What? You? Shh. Let's open this. Ooh! So first what I can see is in transit camera close up, mask, moisturise and prime and warm by This Works. Then we get an Mask lipstick in the colour Energy. Then a Luna by Luna translucent powder. Then we get an Eye Divine Sleek eyeshadow palette, mineral based or natural, just up my street. Sorry about my son. What you doing? What you doing? Then, last but not least, Bronze and Skull Contour Kit by MUA Lux. And that is laying medium dark. Soon, look and see me, look. Wait, I'm not good at this. Hang on. Hi. Sorry, I'm in the car. I hope you've enjoyed me GlossyBox unboxing earlier. I didn't manage to get a swatch, but I will test some of the products and let you know what they're like. I'll do like a video about it or something or other. But see you all later. I got a really rough today. And my bronzer looks very muddy. And sorry that I'm like bouncing about in the car. Gary's driving, so oh my god, listen to me eyes. But yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye.